Welcome to the Ultimate Barbell Progression Plan.
Barbell training is a proven way to build total body strength. For beginners, it's essential to follow a step-by-step plan to maximize gains and prevent injuries. This guide lays out a simple, effective progression that can take you from your first lift all the way to advanced movements, always with safety and long-term progress in mind.
Getting started, foundation and form.
Start by mastering proper form. Focus on basic lifts, the squat, deadlift, bench press, and overhead press. Use an empty barbell or light weights to practice. Good technique is crucial for safety and makes your future strength gains more effective. Don't rush this stage. Learning correct movement patterns sets you up for a lifetime of injury-free lifting.
Building strength, linear progression.
Begin with a linear progression program. This means increasing the weight slightly each session, typically by 2.5 to 5 pounds. Train 3 times a week, keeping your routine consistent. Stick to 3 sets of 5 reps for each main lift. Track your progress so you know when to add weight. Remember, small increases add up quickly over time.
Plateaus and adjustments.
Eventually, everyone hits a plateau where progress stalls. Don't get discouraged. Adjust by adding more rest, refining your technique, or reducing the weight and building back up. If necessary, change the sets and reps to continue challenging your muscles. Recovery is just as important as training. Make sure you're eating well and sleeping enough.
Advanced lifts and long-term success.
Once you consistently hit your targets with good form, you can add advanced lifts like power cleans or front squats. Always prioritize safety and progression over lifting the heaviest weight possible. Continue monitoring your technique and gradually increase your training knowledge. This well-structured approach will help you gain strength safely and confidently over time.